Again, back to the Joomla series for the church. So today we're going to be discussing the About Us section, and I'm back here at the start.forhisministry.net website, and you can see right here in this website on this menu there we see the About Us menu. So I'm going to click on that, and what we're going to do is we're going to build these web pages here. The About Us web page, our purpose, map for church facility, and driving directions. But what we're going to learn about today, there's a couple things we want to learn about. We want to learn about categories and sections. And actually this this actual About Us section is actually built as a section under the church. So there is the church is the section. Now the category is called About Us. And if you see that, then you have all the web pages. So then there's the purpose page. If you go here, that's our purpose right here. You click on there, it's the same page. If you go map to the facility, there's that page. Come over here, map of the church facilities. So it's really the same page, you're just able to get to it from different places, and it's categorized and organized differently. So let's jump over here, and we're going to go now over to the Joomla.forhisministry, and we're going to build this web page. Remember, this is what the web page we've been building. Initially we have the home page, and then last video series we built the 3 different web pages: Word of the Day, Daily Devotions, and the Children's Bible Stories. So we're going to move on and build. Now we're going to build the next section, and we're going to call that one About Us, and we're going to put those links and those web pages in that section. But first we need to build we need to build a section. And to build a section, you go to Content, and then you see Section Manager. We're going to click on Section Manager, and then we're going to hit New, and we're going to add the section of Church. Alright, and click Apply. There, we added that section. Now we're going to add the category of About Us. So we're going to add that category. Now we've added a category and a section, and you'll see how those work together here in a minute. So there we go, About Us. And now let's go to the Article Manager, and let's go ahead and build a new web page and call that web page About Us. And let's come back over here. See, we go About Us. Okay, I'm going to copy this information and put it in this web page. And this, I'm going to show you a different way we can actually get this image. See, it says copy image location. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to hit here, and I'm going to put the image URL right there. Let's see if we can get that to. Yep. So you can see it's going to go back up and look at, instead of putting the image on our site, we're going to pull it from this site, from the other site. It's just a different way to get an image on your site. So how I did that was I went over here, I right clicked, it says copy image location, I chose that, then I went back to my website, I went and clicked on the image right here, the image icon in the web editing tool, and then I Control V, and then that paste that image URL into there, and then I'll just put wedding of the bride. Alright, in the alignment we're going to set it to the right, and we're going to put border 4, so we're going to have a nice border around it. And if we wanted some vertical spacing, we can put 2 and 2, and that's just giving you space between text and your border. So I'm going to set insert. There you go. We got it over there. So now let's go back over here. It's in the middle there. Let's leave it as is and see if we like it, and if we want to change it, we can. So let's click here. Put that there. There we go. And we hit apply. Oh, it says we didn't pick a section. So, oh, there we go. We got the section of church and about us. So let's pick those two. Click apply. Alright. Now, let's go back into the menu manager. And we're going to build, well, we don't have an about us menu. That's what we want, is about us. So we're going to build that menu. So I'm going to click new. And I'm going to pick articles, article layout. And I'm going to pick about us. Choose that. Click apply. And then I'm going to pick my article about us and link it to that. Hit apply. Now let's go see if we can see our article on the website. There it shows up, about us. There it is. Alright. So now let's build these other, what else do we need to build? Our purpose. Alright, so let's go ahead and build that one. So we're going to come in here. We're going to go build the article first, because the article needs to come before the link to the website. So we're going to build purpose. There we go. And we want that section church. And the category is about us. So I'm going to come over here and see here. Copy image. There we go. So I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to put that image in there. And purpose. And we're going to just go, we're going to go in the middle this time. And we're going to go with border of 4, 2, and 2. Insert. There we go. We can move this image a little bit. Whoop. I deleted it by accident. You can hit undo and move it back if you didn't want us to undo some of the things. So now I need to go ahead and go back here and get the text so that I can put the text in. And if you want it, you could type your own text in, or you can use the text or the images from the website there. So let's see if I can move this text up. So if I can't do it very easily there, you can go to the toggle editor and move it like this. So all I have to do is move it above my image. So all I did was Control X, which is cut, and then I Control V, move it back, and then I can click on my toggle editor. There it is at the top of the page. So how I did that was I hit Control X, which on the Windows that's how you cut, or you can right click and you can go cut, and then you can go up here, right click, and go right click and paste. And then after you do that, then you can say image test, or text test. And then you come here, look at the toggle editor, there it is. So if you want to remove that, you can remove that here. There we go. Next I'm going to go ahead and put this text underneath here. So I want to add that text here. There we go.